Hey guys, Ned here from Netherman Studios, and so I was on Minecraft for PC and I got kind of bored, so I went to a village, and I just put TNT all over stuff. I didn't do the whole thing, sadly enough. I might go back and do it, but as of right now, I'm just gonna go in there and I'm gonna explode it. So, flint and steel. Let me just light this. And then watch the show. Fireworks! Oh, it did it! Now let's go check it out. Took that whole half of the village off. That is actually really awesome. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna go ahead and put the other parts okay guys, I'm back, and I didn't do the whole thing, except I got another good portion of it, full of TNT and explosives, so let's see how this turns out. Whoa. It didn't do all of them for some reason. Oh, it did. Oh my gosh! As I get closer, it shows how everything's gone away. Awesome. Holy crap. So that's what happens when you put TNT on a village. Wait, what the? Zombies are swimming. Oh, that's awesome. How about you guys want me to explode them? I think I will. And they're gonna drown too. Alright, flint and steel. Bye-bye, stupid zombies. I think they died. What about you? Alright, see you guys next time on Netherman Studios. I hope you like this video. I'll keep thinking of more Minecraft things to do for PC, for PE, and so yeah. So let me know what you guys want me to play next. Minecraft, Roblox, I don't care. Just let me know and I'll see what I can do. See you guys next time on Netherman Studios, and subscribe.